Hi, Dimitar here. Today we'll talk about how it's possible to buy a real estate property that is new construction or newly built, how to buy this property in Bulgaria without breaking the bank, what to look for when signing a contract with someone in Bulgaria or a company, also how to create a small deal with risk-free value for all sides. Against the background of the crisis in the real estate sector in the West, Bulgaria appears to foreign investors as island of stability, and prices remain relatively low for quick buyers. Here you can buy any real estate for less price than many other countries and pay less taxes. The country has nice weather, high percent of people who can speak English, and has a mix of cultures. However, when we talk about real estate, there are quite a lot of unregulated laws of what is possible and what can happen if you just sign any documents of any opportunist that is promising you the pink deal or a dream. Here we have pictures about the real estate interest rates, what the static shows about the housing market and mortgage loans for the first 6 months. Here are a few things to watch out when it comes to buying a property that is under construction, or how we say it, on green. You will find a new construction in the largest city in Sofia, Plovdiv, Varna or Burgas. Also in the Black Sea regions. Pay attention to everything. Examine the property for problems. Request additional documents from the seller and the property and from the property registry. Negotiate for a better conditions. Exchange the assigned projects for a preliminary agreement, a deposit agreement, and notary deed. And remember, the agreement is signed when you are sure that you can fulfill it, and when you make sure that in sufficient degree that the seller also has no obstacle of the fulfillment. And if there is fulfillment obstacles, you are sufficiently provided with penalties. Here we have a site of construction companies selling in Sofia. Also, safeguard your rights and engage in negotiation for equitable terms, particularly when it comes to the investor's accountability in the event of construction delays during the preliminary contract, or use professional that will be on your site. Frequently, the preliminary contract specify overly extended time frame, lacks any defined time frame, or even skips over the construction phases. If we are to buying with our own funds, we need to make our due diligence yourself. When you use the bank will request documents from the seller or the investor, and will give you an answer if the property has passed the bank qualification for buying this property. If you work with the bank, the institution is the one who will be owner of your property from the day you make the mortgage with the bank to the day you return the loan and the mortgage is signed off from the property registry. It is essential to know that any construction failing to adhere to specific requirements is considered unauthorized. This includes structures that lack proper regulation, exceed the permissible height for residential buildings, or are situated in the zones designed for residential purposes, where offices buildings are not permitted, among other violations. Furthermore, unauthorized construction encompasses projects that proceed without adequate supervision and the issuance of the requisite documents such as Act 40, Act 15 and Act 16 are the essential construction permits. The documents serve as guarantees that the constructed building complies with the established regulations. Which documents are these, and why are they essential when you are aiming to turn your dream home into reality and even secure financing from your bank? Act 40, 15 and 16 play a crucial role in overseeing the various phases of construction and ensuring that construction and installation work aligned with your current regulations. Act 14 represents the initial step in monitoring construction activities as it signifies a formal acceptance of the building construction. To put it simply, Act 14 is the document issued once the building reaches the rough construction stage. From this moment on, the property can be transferred with a notary deed in which it is explicitly noted that the building has been completed at the road construction stage. This means that, for example, apartments in the buildings can be sold, although not inhabited still. Moving on to Act 15, this document serves as confirmation that the building is entirely finished. After construction completion, the contractor, designer, builder, and the construction supervisor collaboratively create a validating document. This document attests that the construction has been executed in accordance with the approved investment plan. And the final act is Act 16, is the most eagerly anticipated document for new homeowners. In practical terms, it is common to use Act 16 as a general term instead of a permit of usage. From there, the construction company has finished its work and the new homeowners can settle in or start making the necessary repairs. Many companies prefer to sell on Act 16 to maximize their profit source. From many years, the demand for new construction in Bulgaria is growing. Thank you. This is all for the various new construction and acts you must adhere to.